Hi, I'm going to take you through the effects and techniques used to make the animation on the left look like the one we see on the right. Let's start by diving into the composition containing the clock and hearts. First, add some drop shadow from the edges of the clock to create some depth and sense of light direction. Same goes for the pointers. Next we add the bulge effect, then a highlight consisting of directional blur and glow to make it pop some more. CC Plastic. And here's my favorite one, the transform effect with a little skew added. Let's give those hearts some depth by adding bevel and emboss and inner shadow, tweaked to look like rim light. Also, drop shadow and homemade lens flares to add those finishing touches. Last off, add noise and a gradient ramp set to overlay to enhance the light source. And voila, there you go. Some faux After Effects 3D.